Let's try to solve another Leetcode problem, continued with the stock problems. Today we are going to solve 122, best time to buy and sell stock number 2. So this problem is easy to understand. Yeah, it is just an extension of stock problem 1. So you are giving an array of prices where prices I is the price of a given stock or the I day. For example, this is from the first, second, and third day, the price. Yeah, and on each day you may decide to buy or sell the stock. You can only hold at most one stock. It means if you want to buy another stock, you have to sell it before you buy that stock. Yeah. You can buy it and then immediately sell it on the same day. Find and return the maximum profit you can achieve. So in this problem, it's different from stock problem number 1. This one, you can buy and sell it as many times as you can, but you would just want to get the maximum profit. For example, for this one, you can buy on day 2. So this is day 2, it's 1, and then you can sell it on day 3. You got a profit of 4, and after that you can buy like on day 4. So this is day 4, and sell it on day 5. You got a profit of 3. So 4 times plus 3 equals to 7. It's the maximum profit. Now let me explain it in whiteboard first, then go to the code editor to finish the coding. Let's see the whiteboard. So for a stock price, it may have something abnormal, like always increasing. Yeah, like this kind of thing, you can just use the last point minus the first point. Yeah, but for a normal stock price, it will be like this. Yeah, I mean, it will be go up and down in different days. For example, this is day 1 and this is day 9. Yeah, so some days like day 1 and day 2 it may increase, but sometimes it will decrease like day 2 and day 3. Yeah, like day 3 to day 5 it is always increasing, and then 5 to 6 it is decreasing. Yeah, so it is always fluctuated like that. It is like a curve. Yeah, but what we needed to do, we just needed to get the maximum profit. In the normal life, we don't know if today the price is even maybe higher. Yeah, but we don't know. But this problem is, yeah, if we know that tomorrow it will be higher, definitely we are going to buy it today, because anyway tomorrow we can sell it and get a profit. Yeah, if we know something today is like 1,000 the stock price, it will go down tomorrow, definitely we will not buy it. So this is why in this problem we can use the greedy idea. For a normal increase, it is still okay, because the greedy idea is just to accumulate all the profit. For example, this one, yeah, we just accumulate from this point to this point because it is always increasing. And for this kind of thing, we just need to check, or if 1 to 2 is increasing, we just need to accumulate this profit. Yeah, and after here it is decreasing, we did not take care. We don't need to take care. But here from day 3 to day 5, it is always increasing. So we need to get the profit from here. It means we will, yeah, normally we will use day 5 to minus day 3. But in this problem, we can even make it more simpler. We can just use day 4 minus day 3 and day 5 minus day 4. We can still get the result. Because if you want to check, oh, which day is day 5, you have to find an increasing area and then use day 5 minus day 3. Actually, it's really difficult to use it this way. You have to find a function to check which areas is increasing and then use the end point minus the start point. Yeah, because there are many such things. Maybe you can write a function to solve this problem, but you don't need to do that, because day 4 minus day 3 plus day 5 minus day 4 is equals to day 5 minus day 3. Yeah, let me give you an example. For example, here day 6 minus day 1, it is 5. Yeah, because here the profit, as I said, here is 1, here is 6. Yeah, also as the day, you got a profit of 5. But when you accumulate, yeah, you can accumulate 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. It's also the 5. So this means you can use the greedy idea. You just need to check. If the next day is greater than the first day, you just need to accumulate the profit. If it is lower, the next day is lower than the previous day, you don't need to take care of that. So if the line is decreasing, you don't need to care. If the line is increasing, you need to just use next day, just use today minus the previous day, next day minus today. Yeah, like that. You just need to accumulate. I think it's much clearer now. Now let's go to the code editor to finish the coding. Actually, the coding is even more simple than that. Yeah. Now let me start the coding. As I said, we're gonna define a profit. The profit will be 0 because I will accumulate the profit. Finally, I will return the profit. Now I will start from day 1 because I want to. I will start from index 1. Index 1 is like day 2. I need to minus day 1 if it is higher. So for I in range 1 to then prices. Yeah. So if today, if this prices, yeah, if the prices of today minus prices of yesterday more than 0, I got a positive profit. Yeah, what I needed to do, I just needed to get the profit. So the profit should plus this one, because this is a positive number, I needed to plus it. And finally, I just needed to return the profit. You can see that there are just like 5 lines. Yeah, but the idea is the greedy idea. Now let me check if there are some mistakes. The profit, if the profit I, the price I, yeah, it's not profit. This is a 0. It must be a positive number. It is a positive number. If it is equal to 0, we don't need to do that because profit plus 0, it's also the same. You just need to check the more than 0. Yeah. Now let me run it to check if it is okay. Yeah, as you can see, it passed all the cases, but now we will try to test all the testing cases if it works. Yeah, you see it works, and it's around 99%. Yeah, and let's now analyze the time complexity. Let's check the number first. So the length of the price is 3 times 10 to the power of 4, and this is also ON. So for ON algorithm, we are sure that it can pass all the testing cases. Yeah. Thank you for watching. If you think this is helpful, please like and subscribe. I will upload more Leetcode problems like that. Bye.